there are things that you can do to help your clients understand the simplest things to do to build their credit. The first thing is to avoid missed and late payments on bills, paying bills on time. It's very important for people to realize that this is the number one thing that people look at, and it's very easy to spot on a credit report if they are late. Build at least 2 years of clean history on their report. This will allow them to step forward very easily. This means living within their income and not having reportable debt. To not use more than 30% of allowable credit on revolving cards. Credit building products that they can get are credit building loans at many institutions are now available. They're safe and effective, and that they are generally protecting the person from overextending themselves. We have a credit union that really does help people build their credit by providing them a loan that they do not give them until they've paid it off. So the money is available as a savings tool rather than a loan. Secured credit cards are another useful thing. This is a credit card where you give the money up front, and many institutions will do this without a fee, and you give them the money up front so that they know if you fail to pay, they can take that money out of a savings account and they're covered. And if they can find a product that's about $150 and they never charge more than $50 a month, which is about the amount that most people find they can come up with if they have failed to open the envelope in a hurry, then they are safe. Those tools teach people that credit is not a trap that they need to get into, but a tool that they can use to improve their lives. This is a list of the impact of some kinds of debts in relation to what we see on credit scores. This is not a formal official list. It's what we've seen as not having as much impact and discussing these things. One thing I'd like to draw to your attention is that rent to own has zero impact on your credit score unless the product is repossessed. These rent to own people do report upon request that you have had a loan with them, a payment plan with them, but they do not report it to show that you have paid regularly. Being a smart consumer, there's a tremendous amount that people need to know. The banks, the alternatives to banks, such as online banking, they need to know more about what kinds of accounts they need, how to submit a consumer complaint, and much of this is listed in the capabilities of the Your Money, Your Goals from page 227 to 277. I want to thank you so much for having gone through the steps of this that you needed. I hope you found the resource of having somebody who's had experience at it useful, and you can reach me if you really need to at 802-655-0950 and tell me that you've seen this and you've got some questions as a provider. Thank you.